We've all been in one of those situations where money is tight and just at the worst possible time, something breaks down, something important, and it needs to be replaced. Your roof is one of the worst things that can break down in one of these circumstances. So when a homeowner is in one of these circumstances, they may start looking for alternatives. And this is what brings many homeowners to the topics of a layered roof. Layered roofs are a simple concept. You install the new roof over the old roof. However, is it as simple in practice as it is in concept? That's what we're going to be talking about today as we go over the benefits and the detriments of installing a new roof over your old roof. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. What are the benefits of installing a new roof over your old roof? Now, the main benefit, and honestly, the only benefit of installing a new roof over your old roof is that it cuts costs. You're saving labor costs because the crew is not going to have to tear off a lot of roofing material and install new roofing material in its place, which is something that takes a lot of time during the roof replacement day. And of course, you're saving money on those new materials that you're not going to need for your roof replacement. Now, because these costs are heavily labor related, we can't give you an accurate percentage in terms of how much money you're going to be saving because every roofing company calculates how much to pay for labor differently. All we can say is that you're going to spend less money on this new roof, but there are a lot of things to keep in mind before you go down this road. What should you keep in mind? Now, there's a laundry list of things to consider before you go to the shingle over style of roofing. The first thing, and a really major thing to consider, is that this is likely going to cost you more money in the long term. The reason is that, like I said earlier, your roofers are not going to tear away the old materials and see the state of them. This means that you're not going to know the condition of your ice and water shield, your underlayment, part of your flashing, but most importantly, your roof decking. Now, there's a chance if the rotten decking is severe, you can see it from the attic. But there are many cases in which you can only see it from that top layer of decking. And if you install a shingle over style when you have rotten decking, then chances are your roof is on the clock. If you don't start seeing an increase in leaks, then you might start seeing your roof begin to cave in, because now you have that wood that's lost its integrity on top of the fact that you just added extra weight to your home via those new roofing materials. If either you start seeing an increase in leaks or, even worse, a roof cave-in, then it's going to result in a repair so big that you may as well just opt for a roof replacement. Another thing that you need to consider is whether or not you can even install that extra layer in the first place. The bottom layer, the old layer of your roof, needs to be in good enough condition to where you can lay an extra layer of shingles or metal on top of it. And at this point you might be asking, well, if my shingles are in a good enough condition to do that, then why am I replacing my roof? And honestly, my answer to that, you also need to make sure that you can install a second layer legally up to building codes. And you have to make sure to either hire a reputable roofing contractor or do the due diligence yourself, because we have seen many roofs with 3 or even 4 layers on them, which isn't okay no matter where you are. The reason why this happens is because many roofers are going to tell the homeowner whatever they want to hear. They'll say that it's up to code, they'll say that their roof is going to last a normal time, whatever needs to be said in order to get that extra roof replacement and to get that money for them. You better believe that if anything were to happen to your roof, you're not going to be covered by their warranty or the manufacturer warranty. And like I just alluded to, your roof is not going to last the full stated manufacturer lifespan. A 30-year asphalt shingle roof is not going to last that 30 years. And a 50-year metal roof is not going to last that 50 years. Basically, you're on the clock, and chances are it's not going to be your last roof replacement. What do we recommend? You may be able to guess, based on the information that we provided, that in 99 out of 100 cases, we do not recommend getting a layered roof. So what is that 1 in 100 situation that we actually can recommend getting a layered roof? Well, specifically, if you know that that house is not going to exist in a couple years because it's going to be bought for the lot and then torn down, then a layered roof might be the right choice. And yes, we do know that there are situations in which a homeowner has a layered roof that lasts for more than just a couple years. However, there are so many risks that are incurred in this process that we can't in good conscience recommend it to any homeowner, no matter how financially strained they may find themselves. Spend the money, finance a roof, do whatever it takes to get a good quality roof. Otherwise, you're going to be out more in the long run. Whether your budget is tight or you're just a smart spender, chances are you want every dollar you spend on your roof to go as far as possible. For more information on how to do that, we have a video that ranks a lot of different roofing materials based off of cost effectiveness that you can watch by clicking on the link below or at the end of this video. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so that we can spread more helpful information to homeowners like yourself, and we'll see you next time.